So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of Lloyd AC remote in great detail and in simple words, so let's start the video. You can see the power button in the remote. With this, you can turn the AC on and off. After that, the next button is operation mode. There are 5 functions given in the operation mode button. On pressing the mode button, you will see the mode in the remote. Now the mode is in cool. Now the mode is in dry. Now the mode is in fan. Now the mode is in heat. Now the mode is in auto. Now I will tell you the details of the mode in very simple words. In cool mode, all the buttons of the AC remote will work, and in this mode the AC will cool, and in cool mode the AC will cool as per your requirement. The next mode after that is dry. You can use dry in the rainy season. There is a lot of humidity in the rainy season and there is sticky heat, so using the AC in dry removes that humidity. The next mode after that is fan mode. In fan, the AC will not cool, only the fan of the indoor unit will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want the cooling of the AC and you only want to use the fan of the AC, then you can use fan mode. The next mode is heat. Note that you can use heat mode only if your AC supports heat mode. If your AC does not support heat mode, you cannot use heat mode. If your AC supports heat mode, you can heat your room in cold weather by using heat mode. After that, if you press the mode button again, auto mode will come. In auto mode, your AC will work automatically and the AC will work according to its own requirement. After that, if you press the mode button again, the cool mode will appear. After that, the next button is the temperature up down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the temperature will go on decreasing. The more you lower its temperature, the more cooling it will do. Its lowest temperature is 16 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the temperature will go on increasing and the AC will start cooling less. Its highest temperature is 31 degrees. If you want only cooling and also want to reduce the electricity bill, then use it at 26. This is also a very good temperature for our body. And if you feel more cooling at 26 degrees, then set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees. And if you feel hot at 26 degrees, then set the temperature of your AC to 25 or 24. The next button is vertical swing. This button is for the swing in front of the AC. It works in up-down. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room, and wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button, your swing flap will stop there. You can also see the direction in the remote. The next button is horizontal swing. This button is for the swing inside the AC. It works from right to left. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room, and wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button, your swing flap will stop there. After that, the next button is turbo. Generally, when we switch on the AC, the compressor starts in 3 minutes, but by pressing the turbo button, the compressor starts in 1 minute and the speed of the fan of the indoor unit also increases significantly. If you are coming to your room from outside and your room is very hot and you are feeling very hot in the room and you need quick cooling, then you can use the turbo button. In this, the room cools down very quickly. The next button is display. Pressing the display button will turn off the display of your AC, but your AC will remain on. You can use this button only to turn off the display light of the AC. After that, the next button is sleep. By pressing the sleep button, the AC becomes silent. The sleep function can be used with a timer of 8 hours, and the use of sleep button is very good. For example, suppose you have kept the temperature of your AC at any level, then every 2 hours the temperature will automatically increase by 1 degree and you will not have any problem in sleeping due to excessive cold. After that, the next button is fan. This is for the speed of the fan, which is blowing air from the indoor unit. It works in 4 speeds. Right now the fan speed is low. Right now the fan speed is medium. Right now the fan speed is high. Right now the fan speed is auto. You can control the fan speed according to your requirement. If you want to cool the room quickly, then set the fan speed to high. The next button is ionizers. Ionizers can effectively remove airborne particles such as dust, pollen, and pet dander, leading to cleaner and fresher air indoors. Reduction of allergens. By eliminating allergens from the air, ionizers can provide relief to individuals suffering from allergies or respiratory conditions. The next button is aux heat. Please note that you can use aux heat only if your AC supports heat mode. If your AC does not support heat mode, you cannot use aux heat. If your AC supports heat mode, you can warm your room by using aux heat in cold weather. The next button is light wave. The light wave tube, according to the present invention, can emit a light wave in a specific direction to assist an evaporator of the air conditioner to warm up air. Light is a transverse wave, where the movement of the particle is perpendicular to the propagation of the wave. It is formed by alternating electric and magnetic fields produced by accelerating charged particles. The next button is Clean Plasma. If CL is written in your AC, then you clean the filter of your AC and put it again and press the Clean Plasma button, then the error written CL will be removed, and whenever dust is filled in the filter net of your AC, then again will come tomorrow, Clean Plasma will be used to clean the filter. After that, the next button is Fresh Air. There is bad smell in your room or AC, then you open the door of your room, turn on the AC and press the Fresh Air button, then remove the bad smell by pulling fresh air in the AC room. Will do it. Then the next button is the Timer. By pressing the Timer button, you can see the timer in the display of the remote. You can set the timer from 1 hour to 24 hours. Suppose you are sleeping and you want to turn off the AC at night, then you can set the time from the remote. Setting the time is very easy. As soon as you press the timer button from the remote by showing the AC, the timer of the AC will be set immediately. If you keep pressing the timer button continuously, then the timer time will increase, and if you want to stop the timer, then you will have to press this button 24 to 25 times, or you can also remove it by pressing the on-off button. I hope you understood the information given by me, so please like my video and subscribe my channel.